ट्रिग्नोमेट्री 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 शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स बताओ। बहुत डिमांड है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की। क्या आपको भी प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते वक्त? तो चलो आज आपको मैं ऐसी ट्रिक बताऊंगा, ऐसी शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स बताऊंगा कि वन फिगर से आप पूरे 49 फॉर्मूले बनाइए। कितने? टोटल 49 फॉर्मूले। तो ये वीडियो में 10, 11, 12 और इंजीनियरिंग डिप्लोमा के स्टूडेंट के लिए बना रहा हूँ। इसमें दो पार्ट्स होंगे। फर्स्ट पार्ट होगा 10 स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के लिए जिनके लिए बेसिक फॉर्मूलाज होंगे, और सेकेंड पार्ट होगा वो 11, 12 और डिप्लोमा के बच्चों के लिए। और चाहे तो आप पूरा सेक्शन देख सकते हो, ये वीडियो पूरा देख सकते हो, क्योंकि कोई भी क्लास हो नॉलेज तो बढ़ता है, नॉलेज इज ए पावर। सो एक ही डायग्राम में मैं आपको पूरे 49 फॉर्मूले क्या शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स बताऊंगा। तो इस तरह से हम उस एक डायग्राम के साथ ऐसा गेम खेलेंगे कि आपको पूरे 49 फॉर्मूले लर्न हो जाएंगे। तो जब भी आप कोई एग्जाम में बैठे होगे, एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे होगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक के, तो बस शॉर्ट में एक छोटी सी फिगर निकालनी होगी जो मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा। उस एक फिगर पे से आप सारे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो एग्जाम में। सो चलो गेम खेलते हैं उस एक डायग्राम के साथ। तो हमारा काम ही वही है, प्ले विथ मैथ विथ Kalam Academy. So let's go. Academy, and we have to start the first part of a trigonometry. So trigonometry, this word come from the Greek language, and what is mean by trigno? So tree means three, gon means side, and metry means measurement, and it is also apply on a right angle triangle. So we have to start. Draw a one right angle triangle and find out the ratio, basic ratio of trigonometry. So first we have to start to draw this triangle. This is a 90-degree triangle. Angle B is a 90 degree, and this opposite angle we have to take the theta. So what is mean by theta? We have to take any angle. 30 degree, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree. So we have to denote the theta because we have to find out the ratio of trigonometry. That's why we have to take the theta. Okay, so we have to consider this angle theta. So that time this angle opposite side, it is the opposite side of that angle. This is the opposite side of that angle. So we can say that this is a perpendicular. We also consider it perpendicular, P, and it is denoted by P. Okay, then again we have to consider the adjacent side of a angle C. So we have to say it adjacent side. It is denoted by, we have to consider it like as a base. Okay, we have to consider it like as a base. Okay, so we have to consider it like as a base, and it is a perpendicular. Okay, suppose we have to consider this angle A. That time angle A is opposite side, this side. CB is a opposite side, and AB is a adjacent side of a angle A. So we have to consider this angle point C theta. That is why we have to take this side is opposite side, means perpendicular side, and this adjacent side it is called as a base, and it is a, you know that also it is a hypotenuse. Okay, so we have to use this short trick. This is a short trick of a Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. What is the Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole? It is a shortcut tricks of a find out the ratio. Okay, so first we have to take the sine ratio. So sine ratio we have to take first, find out the sine ratio. That time we have to go clockwise. Okay, clockwise direction, and we have to find out the 6 tan ratios. Okay, so first take the sine theta. Sine theta, what is mean by sine theta? So we have to take this theta angle and we find out the sines ratio. So we have to take P upon H, perpendicular upon H means opposite side upon hypotenuse. It is denoted by perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we write here sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular side is AB. AB upon hypotenuse is AC. Okay, like that we have to take again this angle and find out the cos ratio. So cos ratio is, cos is equal to B upon H. B means base upon hypotenuse. Base is this CB. B, C, and hypotenuse AC. So we can say that cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Like that we have to take the third ratio, tan ratio. So we have to find out the tan theta of that angle. So we have to take perpendicular upon base, opposite side upon base, perpendicular upon base. So AB perpendicular upon base. So opposite side is AB upon BC. Okay. Come to the next ratio, cot ratio. Cot ratio. That time we have to take this inverse proportion. Okay. That time we have to take the inverse proportion. Now we have to take the cot theta. Okay. Cot theta. So cot theta, what is? Base upon perpendicular. We have to take now inverse. Okay. So base upon perpendicular. So we have to write base upon perpendicular. What is the base? BC. BC is the base and perpendicular. Perpendicular means AB. Okay, AB is a perpendicular. It is a cot theta. So now next we have to find out the sec theta. Sec theta means hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base of a sec theta. So what we have to take? Sec theta, hypotenuse upon base. What is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC upon base is BC. Now take like that same manner cosec theta. Cosec theta we have to take inverse again. Cosec theta. Cosec theta means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cosec theta we have to take the cosec theta at this angle. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse, cosec theta, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So what is the hypotenuse? AC is a hypotenuse and perpendicular AB. Okay, so it is a 6 ratios of a trigonometry. So one thing is that is the same is here. So we can say that sin theta is a inversely proportional reciprocal of cosec theta. So we can say that sin theta and cosec theta, because AB perpendicular upon hypotenuse and hypotenuse upon perpendicular. It is a sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal of each other. Like that same again we have to say see cosec theta. Cosec theta means base upon hypotenuse and sec theta hypotenuse upon base. Both are reciprocal of each other. Same as it is same manner. Tan theta and cot theta both are reciprocal. Perpendicular upon base, base upon perpendicular. So both are also reciprocal, and we can also say that thing in these tricks. Sin theta reciprocal of cos theta, and cos theta is reciprocal of vice versa of sin theta. It is a reciprocal also and vice versa also. So cosec theta reciprocal of sec theta, and sec theta is vice versa of a cosec theta. Tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta, and cot theta is a. So now we have to take the one diagram, hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides. Closed figure is called as a hexagon. So we take a one hexagon and make the diagonals or draw the diagonals like that. Okay, so it is a hexagon. Okay, so we have to take the ratios: sin ratio, cosec ratio, tan ratio, cot ratio, sec ratio and cosec ratio. How to take this ratio? So we have to remember, don't be the confusion. So what we have to do, that time we have to take the ratio. So that time we have to, one thing is remember, right side we have to take cos, sin, sec, means C ratios, all C ratios, cos, cot and cosec, and left side is sin, tan and sec. So we have to take is tell you sin. First ratio sin, second is cos, third is tan, fourth is cot, fifth is sec, and last is 6 number cosec. So that's like that we have to take the ratios. Okay, so this is diagram. यही वो डायग्राम है जो आपको याद रखनी है, और हर इस डायग्राम से हम पूरे 49 फॉर्मूले बनाएंगे. कितने? टोटल 49 फॉर्मूले हम बनाएंगे इस डायग्राम को. इस डायग्राम को अलग अलग टाइप में हम यूज करेंगे. जब भी आप क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में सॉल्व करोगे क्वेश्चन, तो एग्जाम में इस फिगर को बनाओ साइड में और इसका यूज करो. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू स्टार्ट द फाइंड आउट द रेशियो ऑफ 90 डिग्री formula. So for you know that about the complementary angles. I think you all students know about it. X plus y is equal to 90 degree. Two angle sum is 90 degree. That angles are complementary angles. So that time we have to take complementary angle and 90 degree angle. So we have to find out the 90 minus theta angles. So now we have to find out it. So first we have to, what we have to do? We have to take the ratio like that, front to front, front to front. Okay, in the straight line, first we have to take the front to front. So sin theta front side is a cos theta. So we have to find out the sin 90 degree. Sin theta, sin theta is equal to front side cos bracket 90 minus theta. First angle. It is a very easy. So like that, the same manner we have to take the tan theta, and tan theta front side is a cot. So what we have to do? We have to take the tan theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Okay. It is a very simple. Like that we have to take the next sec theta, and sec theta front side is a cosec theta. So we have to take sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. It is a very simple. Remaining three examples. It is a four formula remaining, three formulas remaining, three formula. What we have to do? Now we have to take in this way. This is first we have to take the forward. Now we have to take the backward. Okay. So what we have to take? We have to find out the cos 90 degree formula. So we have to take cos theta, and this front side is a sin theta. So we have to take cos theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. 90 minus theta. It is a very simple like that. Cot theta's front side is a tan theta. So we have to take cot theta is equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. Again same manner, sec cosec theta, and cosec theta's front side is a sec theta. So that time we have to take cosec theta is equal to sec 90 degree minus theta. It is a very simple. Okay, so you got the practice properly more and more, and watch this video more and more. And if you like this video, so subscribe my channel, share and click on bell icon. Let's see the next formula. Next formula, reciprocal and vice versa formula. So what we have to do? We have to take again this diagram, same as the diagram, same names, same sides, all sides are same. Every time we have to take the same ratios on the vertices of hexagons. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to take a 1. That time we have to take a 1 in middle side. So we have to write here 1. Okay, we have to write is 1. Why we have to write is 1 is here? Because you are the number 1. You are the topper students. So that's why we have to take the number 1 formula. So let's see. So first we have to find out the reciprocal of sin theta. So sin theta's reciprocal, new formula we have to find out here. So let's take sin theta. So we have to find out first formula. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. 1 upon cosec theta. It is a very simple. Sin theta's reciprocal is 1 upon cos theta, cosec theta. And again what we have to do? We have to again write in reverse form. First we have to write sin opposite side cosec theta. Again we have to take cosec theta the opposite side. It means first is a sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. It is a reciprocal of sin theta. Now we have to taking cosec theta the opposite side sin theta. The cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So let's see second formula. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. It is a opposite side. Sin theta. Sin theta's reciprocal, and it is a vice versa. Reciprocal, vice versa. Reciprocal that side this way, and inverse side vice versa. we have to take two formulae in one statement. Reciprocal of sin theta and vice versa of a sin theta. Again, same way, cosec theta. Cos theta's opposite side is sec theta. So cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Formula number 3. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. It is a reciprocal of sec theta. So we can take again reverse form. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. It is a vice versa. Fourth number formula. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Again, it is a very simple. So मजा आ रहा है आपको? तो मजा आ रहा होगा तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और शेयर करो. ओके, और आपको भी प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगी. जब तक आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, फिगर और ये जो शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स है ये आपके माइंड में प्रॉपर नहीं फिट होगी. तो इसलिए इसकी मोर प्रैक्टिस करो और इस वीडियो को 1 या 2 बार या 3 टाइम्स, जितने टाइम्स आपको देखना है उतने टाइम्स आप इसको अगेन एंड अगेन देखो और प्रैक्टिस करो. सो लेट टेक cos हो गया, लगे cot theta. We have to take the cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. 5 number formula. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. 1 upon tan theta. Again we have to take inverse form. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Reciprocal, vice versa. Reciprocal, vice versa. Again, what we have to do? We have to take cosec theta. Cosec theta is over. 6 formula is complete. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Reciprocal of sin theta, vice versa. Reciprocal, vice versa. Reciprocal, vice versa. It is a very simple. एक ही डायग्राम में हम पूरे ट्रिक्स यूज करेंगे. सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है, एग्जाम में आप जब भी एग्जाम को फेस करोगे तब आपको एग्जाम में साइड में यही डायग्राम निकालनी है और इसी तरह से प्रॉपर रेशियो लिखना है. सिर्फ आपको क्राइटेरिया चेंज कर रहे. प्रैक्टिस करो, प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिस करो, आपकी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास हो जाएगी. 100 आउट ऑफ 100 आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में मिलेगी. ओके, सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ स्क्वेयर्स. स्क्वायर के फॉर्मूला हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन दैट केस, वी हैव टू टेक द सेम डायग्राम एंड सेम रेशियो. सो बट ओनली वी हैव टू टेक द ट्रायंगल. इन दिस केस वी हैव टू मेक अ ट्रायंगल्स लाइक दैट. सो वी हैव टेक दिस ट्रायंगल. आफ्टर दैट दिस ट्रायंगल इज नो नीड, टेक नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगल. After that this triangle, no need, take next triangle. Okay, we have to use this triangle and this triangle, blue color shaded triangles we have to use to find out the square formula. So what we have to do, there are the 6 formulas. So first we have to find out the 3 formulas. When we have to take the ratios clockwise, we have to take the ratio clockwise. That time we have to apply the plus sign. Which sign we have to apply? Plus sign. Okay, plus sign we have to apply, and we have to go this direction, clockwise directions. Okay, so it is a clockwise directions. So let's see carefully. Each and every student see carefully. We have to use these three triangle, and we have to go in clockwise direction, and we have to apply the plus sign in the formula. And we have to take the first formula, sin theta. Okay, so we have to find out first sin theta. So our direction is like that, clockwise. So each and every student observe this, the arrow. Okay, this direction. So first we have to say sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, are you got it? So we have to write here first formula, sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1. This is our first formula of a square clockwise. Next formula, again we have to take cot formula. So what we have to do, now we have to go from this starting arrow of a starting this from this point. So 1 plus cot theta, cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So what we have to write for second formula? 1 plus 1, which is that's the direction of a clockwise. So we have to go in this direction, in this manner. So we have to take first 1 plus cot square theta, and direction is equal to cosec square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. This is our second formula. Again, what we have to do? We have to go this direction. So we have to take tan, because arrow's direction is like that, starting from tan and end to sec theta. That's why we have to take tan square theta plus 1 sec square theta. Sec square theta. So we have to take in this manner. Arrows also in this manner. So we have to take this direction. So we have to take the third formula, tan square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Sec square theta. It is a 3 formula in which, using this diagram, it is a only one diagram. Okay, it is a only one diagram. It is a very important diagram. Okay, so it is a, we have to go in this manner clockwise. These formulae are clockwise direction formula, and we have to use plus sign. Now what we have to do? Now we have to use take the ratio anti-clockwise. Now we have to take anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise. And whenever we have to take the anti-clockwise, that time we have to take minus sign. That time we have to take minus sign. Okay, and our arrow sign also change. Okay, our sign also change. That time we have to change our direction of a arrows like that. So we have to go in these directions. Okay, so now start. We have to take first arrow started from 1 to cos to sine. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta, anti-clockwise. So our all triangle direction also change. All directions are anti-clockwise. So first we have to take next formula, anti-clockwise formula. Formula number 4. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 minus, whenever we go take the ratios anti-clockwise, that time we have to take the sign of a minus. Okay, we have to use the black pen again. Minus sign cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to what is sine square theta. Sine square theta. Again, next formula. This arrow starting from cosec theta. Okay, so that time we have to take cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta. Formula number 5. Cosec square theta minus next formula cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to 1. It is a 1. Next formula, 6 number and last formula. Sec, this arrow is starting from sec theta and end to tan theta. That time what we have to do? We have to take sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Tan square theta. It is our 6 formula. These are anti-clockwise and these are clockwise. That time we have to take plus clockwise and we have to take the anti-clockwise. That time we have to take the minus sign. Okay, it is an anti-clockwise direction. It is a clockwise direction formula. The clockwise we have to take plus sign and anti-clockwise time we have to take negative sign. Okay, so I hope you all students are got it, and it is our first part is over of 10 standard student. So now we have to take the next more formula for 11, 12 and diploma engineer students. So let's see next formulas. We have to start the second part for 11, 12 and diploma engineering students. This section for 11, 12 students. So let's see the same diagram, same ratio and same side. Every time we have to take the same diagram, but now what we have to do, we have to find out the next ratio. So that time we have to take the ratio in the clockwise. Okay, take a clockwise, and what we have to do, we have to find out the formula of whenever we to take the sin theta. So that time what we have to take the sin theta is equal to cos theta divided by cot theta. अगर इसका साइन थीटा का फॉर्मूला फाइंड आउट करना है तो उसके आगे के दो रेशियो लेने हैं प्रोपोर्शंस में, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर. कॉस निकालना है, न्यूमरेटर लो डिनोमिनेटर लो. कॉट लेना है, न्यूमरेटर लो डिनोमिनेटर लो. Like that, in that manner we have to continue and find out the sixth formula. So let's see the first formula. What we have to do, we have to take the sin theta. First formula we have to take sin theta is equal to, what we have to do, we have to take sin theta and for next two clockwise we have to go to clockwise and take two ratios, cos theta divided by cot theta. Cos theta divided by cot theta. Clear? Same as it is. Now we have to take cos theta. So we have to take cos theta is equal to cot upon cosec theta. Second formula, cosec theta, cos theta is equal to, what we have to take, cot theta divided by cosec theta. Cosec theta. Okay, next formula, we have to take cot theta. What we have to take again, cot theta is equal to cosec upon sec theta. Third formula, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cosec theta divided by sec theta. Okay, it is very simple now. It is clear that each and every student listen carefully. Let's see what is over. Let's take cosec theta. Fourth formula, cosec theta is equal to sec upon tan. Sec theta upon tan theta. Okay. Next formula, we have to take the sec theta. 5 number, sec theta is equal to tan upon sin theta. Tan theta upon sin theta. Okay, and last is tan theta. So what we have to take, sin theta is equal to tan theta is equal to sin upon cos theta. Okay, it is the last formula, 6 number. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. It is a very simple law, and this formula also used in the 10th standard. Student also use this formula. Tan theta is equal to sin upon cos theta. Okay, so it is a very simple. We have to go same diagram. We have to draw the same diagram and go clockwise. Okay, clockwise direction. So we have to got new 6 formulae. So we have to take any one formula and we have to prove also it is a correct or not. We have to take any formula. So we have to take sin theta. Okay, so what is the cos theta? What is the cos theta? Cos means base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse divided by cot theta. Cot means base upon perpendicular. Okay, so we have to convert it base upon hypotenuse into raise inverse perpendicular upon base. Base. Okay, so base get cancel. How many remain? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it is a sin theta. So we have to write here sin theta. Okay, and let's see, check it. This is a formula is correct. So we have to take any one formula and cross tend. So we have to, it is a proof of a sin theta. आप कोई भी फॉर्मूला ले लो उसको प्रूव कर सकते हो. इस तरह से उसका रेशियो लो, जो डिवाइड में होगा उसको इनवर्स करो, रेसिप्रोकल करो, उसको कैंसिल करो, आपको जो भी फॉर्मूला होगा वो फॉर्मूला मिल जाएगा. Okay, so let's see next formula. Let's see the next formula. What we have to do? We have to take again same figure. Same figure we have to. It is the most important figure. We have to make the 49 formula using this diagram. Okay, so whenever you face the exam, that time we have to draw this figure in the corner and make the any formula of trigonometry. Okay, so it is a very important trick. So let's see what we have to do. We have to take again same diagram, same formula, and we have to take now going anti-clockwise direction. What we have to do? Now we have to do going to anti-clockwise direction, and we have to find out the again formulas. So we have what we have to do whenever we have to take the sin theta. So that time now we have to take sin theta. Okay. So sin theta is equal to what we have to do? We have to take anti-clockwise two ratios. Sin theta is equal to tan upon sec theta. Okay. So let's see. First formula, sin theta is equal to anti-clockwise direction, tan theta divided by sec theta. Sec theta. It is very simple now. So what we have to do? We have to take again cos theta. This ratio we have to find out this formula. Both formulae, last formulae and this formulae, both are same, but it is a inverse. We have to take the inverse. So that's why we have to taking the anti-clockwise. Okay. So don't be confused. So what we have to do? We have to take it anti-clockwise, and last formula we have to take the clockwise direction. So directions will be changed, and our inverse formulas are also changed. So now we have to take cos theta. Second formula, cos theta is equal to anti-clockwise direction. What we have to do? Take the anti-clockwise direction, sin theta upon tan theta. Sin theta upon tan theta. Again, next formula in the same manner we have to go. Follow anti-clockwise direction. Again, anti-clockwise direction. Cot theta is equal to cos upon sin theta. Third formula, cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, are you understand properly? Next, fourth formula. What we have to take? Cosec. Cosec means is equal to cot upon cos. Cosec theta is equal to cot theta upon cos theta. Okay. Next, what we have to do? We have to take the sec theta. So that time what? Sec theta is equal to cosec theta divided by cot theta. Fifth formula, sec theta is equal to cosec theta divided by cot theta. Cot theta. Now, next formula, last formula, tan theta. So what we have to take? We have to take tan theta is equal to sec upon cosec. 6 number formula. Okay, 6th formula we have to take tan theta is equal to what we have to do? Take sec theta divided by cosec theta. This is the last formula, 6th formula. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to also prove any formula. So we have to take any formula and we have to prove it. Okay, so we have to take tan. Okay, we have to take this formula. We have to prove it. Okay, so we have to prove it. Sec theta. What is the sec ratio? Sec is equal to hypotenuse upon base divided by cosec. What is the ratio of cosec? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay, So we have to convert in that side is equal to hypotenuse upon base, okay, into convert perpendicular upon hypotenuse, okay. So hypotenuse get cancelled. What is remain? Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base means perpendicular upon base means tan theta, okay. So check it, our tan theta is here. So this formula is also correct. So you also check any formula in this total formulas. So it is our 6 formulas. So you can also take any formula and prove like that, okay. Cross checking, it is a very simple. So let's see next formula. Let's see the next formulas. So what we have to do, we have to take 1 in the middle. Now we have to write here 1. Why we have to take 1? Because you are the number 1. You are the toppers of mathematics. That's why we have to take 1 is here, okay. So now we have to take the next formula generate, like what we have to do, we have to take sin theta. This opposite side means multiplication of sin theta and cosec theta is equal to 1. Next formula, this formula are used in the 11, 12 and engineering diploma students syllabus. So that's why we have to take this formula number 1, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, okay. Let's see second, tan theta. We have to take this again. We have to take tan theta is equal multiplied by cot theta. Second formula, tan theta multiplied by cot theta is equal to 1, okay. Let's see sec theta cross multiplied by cos theta is equal to 1. Third formula, 1, 2, 3, sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. This is the 3 formula. Next formula, we have to apply the next trick. So what we have to do, we have to apply next trick, short tricks. What we have to do, we have to take, whenever we have to take sine, okay, 2 ratios, sine and cot, that time we have to got cos theta, okay. जब भी हम 2 रेशो लेंगे तो उसके जो बीच में का जो रेशो होगा वो उसका फाइनल आंसर करेंगे. जब हम इसका और इसका 2 रेशो के जो 90 डिग्री से ग्रेटर होगी उनका अगर हम लेंगे मल्टीप्लीकेशन, तो हमको क्या मिलेगा, मिडल वाला रेशियो मिलेगा. तो जब हम साइन लेंगे और कॉट लेंगे, ये दोनों का जब मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, कोसेक थीटा. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अगेन 6 फॉर्मूला. दिस टाइप्स आर 3 formula only, and now we have to apply this method. We have to find out the next new 6 formula. So let's start. We have to find out the next formula. Sin, first is sin theta into cot theta. बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बता रहा हूं, आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि कौन से फॉर्मूले के लिए कौन सी ट्रिक अप्लाई की है, ओके. तो हर ट्रिक को कब याद आएगी आपको, जब आप मोर प्रैक्टिस करोगे और ये वीडियो को एटलीस्ट आपको 2-3 टाइम्स देखना पड़ेगा, तब जाके ये आपके समझ में आएगा. तो इस तरह से ध्यान में रखो कैसी ट्रिक्स अप्लाई की है. साइन थीटा और कॉट थीटा दोनों का अगर मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, मिडल वाला रेशियो मिलेगा, जो होगा उसका आंसर कॉस थीटा. ये हो गया फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला. साइन थीटा इंटू कॉट थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा. नेक्स्ट we have to take cos theta into cosec theta, so we got cot theta. Second formula, cos theta into cosec theta is equal to what we have to got cot theta. Next formula, cot theta multiplied by sec theta, we have to got middle ratio cosec theta. Third formula, cot theta into multiplied by sec theta is equal to what we have to got cosec theta. मजा आ रहा है, इजी ना ट्रिक. सो आपको अगर मजा आ रहा है तो चैनल को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और शेयर करो आपके फ्रेंड के साथ। ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले। और इस तरह के और शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स आपको देखने हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करो। जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो अपलोड करूंगा तो आपको उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहेगी, न्यू अपडेट और लेटेस्ट शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स की। सो कीप शेयरिंग। लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला। कॉट हो गया, कोसेक लेंगे आप, कोसेक और tan का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, सेक थीटा मिलेगा। 4 नंबर फॉर्मूला, कोसेक थीटा इंटू tan थीटा। tan theta is equal to what we have to got? We have to got sec theta. Again, what we have to do? We have to take sec theta into sin theta. 5 number formula, sec theta into tan theta. Sec theta into sin theta. Sin theta is equal to what we have to got? We have to got tan theta. Okay. Now what we have to do? Sec theta into sin theta is equal to tan theta. Which is remain? Tan is remain. So now we have to write 6 formula. Tan what we have to take? Tan into multiplied by cos. That time we have to got sin theta. Tan theta into cos theta. Cos theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, that is a final 49 formulae. So today we have to see 49 formulae on basis on this diagram. Only one diagram and we have to got how many? 49 formula. Total 49 formulas. Okay. So अगर आपको इस तरह की ट्रिक्स पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और नेक्स्ट ट्रिक्स जानने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करो। और जो साइन रेशो का जो 30 डिग्री 40 डिग्री का जो टेबल्स है उसके लिए हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाएंगे, उसके लिए नई ट्रिक अप्लाई करेंगे। सो कीप वॉचिंग एंड शेयर।